All right, congratulations and welcome for purchasing your PBS market scanner. Now, to install your scanner, if you're using TradingView on mobile, it's very simple. We agree that you have actually downloaded your TradingView through your so you have already downloaded your TradingView through your Play Store and you have it on your phone. Now that's the mobile, right? TradingView mobile. So now, since it's been uploaded and all of that, so let's go. I just want to do some things. It's very simple and straightforward to install your TradingView. So this is mine. I just open it, and then what do I do next? You're confused. What's happening here is very simple. Now, since you open your TradingView, whatever thing it shows there, now look at it down here. Look at charts, right? Look at chart down there. So you click on charts. Now, once you click on chart, it pop up this way, whichever one. Now, the next place to visit is this three dotted line. Because you are using mobile. Look at this three dotted line. Can you see that here? So you click on it. As you click on it, you see different items, very quick one. So as you see different items, you see tools. Can you see indicator? Look at it here. You see indicator, right? Right, so then you click on it. So click on indicator and wait. Now, having clicked on indicator, very simple, right? You see different options, right? Can you see different option? You see favorite, you see my script, you see invite only. That's the one to click. So click on invite only. Now, because this had been getting different invite only, different scanner. That's why you are seeing all of this. So you also, what was given to you or what to purchase were two major scanner. Number one, you purchase, there are two in one, but it's one solution you apply for. So the first one, you are going to see the two. Don't click here. It's not here you are supposed to click. You are supposed to click on the scanner itself, okay? Now, in your own case, you can see it. If you have sovereign scanner before, you just to type the name, all right, up here. But since you don't have many scanner before, you're only going to see the two available. The first one is this one. The first one is this one, PBS, S and R zones. So you tap on it. As you tap wait, it shows you that it has been added to your chart. Don't complicate issues. Allow it there. Then the next one you want to add is the PBS sniper calls, which is this one. Okay, so just tap it once. Now that you have added them, congratulations. So you just step back. How do I step back? Look at it up here. So just step back. Then you close up there. So close it. Have you seen it now? We have closed it. Congratulations, your scanner is being added. Can you see them? Now, what you see here, like support and resistance or demand and supply zone. So you can take this to have a very neat screen. Very simple, guys. So if I want to go to lower time frame, because this is 1 hour time frame, maybe I want to go to 15-minute time frame. It's either I just put and tap on it and select 15 minutes, wait for it to load, simple. Can expand. So I'm not supposed to be doing this because you're going to waste my time. So now your scanner is added. The next video you have to watch inside this your document is to watch operation and then process of trading. Very simple. Then you can be able to use your scanner. Congratulations and welcome on board on PBS Market Scanner, right? Congratulations. So this is very simple and direct to the point. No struggle. Additional thing probably you want to do in that your scanner is that maybe you want to add the market structure. So now look at it here, this up here, where you have this arrow down, you see 2 or you see 3, depending on number of indicator you have before. Just tap on the arrow down. So tap on the arrow down, you want to tap, right? You want to tap on the PBS S and R zones, which is this one. So if I tap on it, it shows different icon. So you see this first icon is that if I want to have additional scanner, and then you are operating on free account, so you can just click like this to hide it. So here is settings. Okay, so if I touch this, it has hidden that other one. If I touch it, it will bring it back. Now the setting I want to do is just to click. The next button is settings. Then it will bring the item of your scanner up, okay, where you can do editing. So let's do that. I've tapped it, so I'm waiting for it to come up so that I can do any setting I want to do. Look at it. The setting I want you to do is to scroll down and you see what they call show PV point. Just tap on it to check it, and then you click OK. You're done. It's going to show you high, low of a market structure. Congratulations, and do have a nice time. So next, go and learn how to make use of it. The videos are there for you and very simplified to use the scanner. Thank you, and do have a nice time. Bye-bye.